Okay, hi. Here is the first lesson with our assembled clarinet, and we'll be honking. So, first off, you've got your reed on there, and the reed is moist. You gave it a good couple wet downs, and it's ready to go. Take your top teeth and your bottom lip. That's the way it works. See, my teeth are on my thumb on the top and just lip on the bottom. The lip is a little curved over. Here's the top, here's the bottom. It's not like this. I don't want any of this wet meat on my lip. I want it curved in just enough, not too much. Like you don't have any teeth. You don't want that. You don't want this stretchy, uncomfortable thing. You want it just curved in enough to get that wet meat out of there. So like that, and the teeth on top. And now just close it. And now you've got that. Just honk. And don't let this... You have to keep this tight, otherwise your cheeks will puff out and the whole thing will just blow. Air will blow out the sides. This is what's keeping it together, this corner of your mouth. Sort of the dimply kind of thing. These muscles are the ones that you're using, the corners. And honk again. Yeah, okay, we're honking loud now. I'll try to honk a bit softer. The whole time I'm keeping these corners tight enough to not allow for your cheeks puffing or that kind of business. Now try a bit quieter. And we're still just honking. Don't worry about it having a nice tone or anything. Now we're just doing dynamics. Just loud, not so loud, and even less loud. We don't want this. Air just goes and escapes. So have fun with that for a while. Until next time.